Hey everyone! Today I've got something super exciting for you. I'm going to show you a method to get unlimited coins, points, and basically everything you need in FC Mobile 25. Now, I know FC Mobile 25 just launched not too long ago, and you might be wondering if this truly works. Well, I'm here to tell you, yes, I've found a method that actually works, and I'm about to walk you through it. I mean, check this out. You can see on my phone right here that I've already tested it out, and it's the real deal. The coolest part is that this works on both iOS and Android, so no matter what device you're using, you're good to go. And don't worry, this method isn't complicated at all. As long as you follow along with me and pay attention to each step, you'll be stacking up coins and points faster than you can imagine. Now, before we jump in, I want to remind you that I'm always on the lookout for the best methods to help you get ahead in the game. So, if you enjoy content like this, be sure to hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing for more awesome videos. Alright, that's enough talk. Let's get you those coins and points. Let's dive right into the tutorial. Before you can use this method, there are some settings you need to change. These settings apply only for iOS devices. If you are on an Android device, you can skip this part and move on to the next step. Head into your settings, tap on General, and make sure that background app refresh is turned on, either for Wi-Fi or for both Wi-Fi and mobile data. This ensures the app can run smoothly in the background. Next, swing by your battery settings and switch off low power mode. This feature can slow down your device, which we definitely don't want happening. With these two settings tweaked, you're all ready to move on to the next step. What you need to do next is open up your internet browser, in my case it's Safari, and go to the website called lucidplugin.com. Lucid Plugin is a website where you can find many apps and games with amazing features. Once you are on the website, search for FC Mobile and click on it. To get started, simply click the download button and give it a moment to install. Depending on your internet connection, it might take a little bit, but once it's finished, you'll automatically be redirected to a page that says, Installation completed. At that point, the app will pop up on your home screen, and you're good to go. Now, if it's your first time using the site, there are a couple of extra steps to complete. But don't worry, it's super simple. You'll be directed to a website with a video tutorial that walks you through everything step by step. All you need to do is install a couple of apps from the App Store or Play Store, depending on your device. These apps are completely safe and secure, so there's nothing to stress about. Just follow the instructions, and you'll have no trouble at all. So, that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.